Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Living in a cottage offers a number of advantages, any one of which could sway a person's decision to pursue it as a lifestyle. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. In more depth, the following shown in my video are some of the primary advantages of residing in a cottage. 1. Scenic beauty and serenity *. Cottages are frequently situated in stunning rural or semi-rural settings, and they are surrounded by the natural beauty of their surroundings. This creates an atmosphere that is calm and quiet, far removed from the commotion and chaos of city life. The picturesque vistas and the sounds of nature can help to relax one and bring about a reduction in tension. 2. Being in close proximity to nature. Because cottages are often situated in natural settings, people are able to enjoy being in close proximity to the natural world. This can lead to a healthier and more active lifestyle since it makes it easier to participate in outdoor activities such as hiking, gardening, and observing wildlife. 3. Privacy *. Cottages typically have larger properties, which, when compared to living in busy metropolitan areas, offers a greater degree of privacy. In contrast, living in urban regions offers a lower degree of privacy. It's possible that having fewer neighbors and a lower population density will result in a living environment that's quieter and more serene. 4. Known for being cozy and lovely. The architectural design of a cottage is typically described as being cozy and lovely. The smaller and more personal living spaces are preferred by a good number of individuals since they feel more welcome and comfortable. Decorating the interior in a manner that is rustic, classic, or cottage style can provide an environment that is cozy and inviting. 5. Requires little maintenance. Because of their often smaller size in comparison to many modern residences, cottages typically require less time and effort to clean and maintain. Enjoying the great outdoors and participating in other activities can take up less of one's time if there are fewer chores to perform. 6. Affordability. Buying or renting a cottage can sometimes be a more financially feasible option than purchasing or renting a house in a city. Because of this, living in a cottage might be an appealing choice for individuals who are interested in lowering their housing expenditures. 7. Community and lifestyle. Cottage communities can have a strong sense of community, where inhabitants may know their neighbors and engage in local activities and events. Inhabitants of cottage communities often enjoy a more relaxed and laid-back lifestyle. The cottage way of life is frequently connected with a slower pace of life, which helps develop relaxation and a greater work-life balance. 8. Getaway from the urban lifestyle *. Cottages are a popular getaway for anyone looking to get away from the hectic pace of city life. It makes it possible to detach from modern technology and experience a lifestyle that is more analogous to the past and more straightforward. 9. An opportunity for creativity and hobbies. The surroundings of a cottage can allow additional space for pursuing hobbies such as gardening, painting, crafting, or other creative endeavors. The cottage environment can also provide an opportunity for creative expression. People frequently find more time to pursue new interests when they live in places with less urban distractions. 10. Investment potential *. Cottages can also be used as an investment because their value usually rises with time, particularly if they are well maintained and located in regions that are sought after. When they are not using them, some homeowners rent out their vacation homes to generate rental revenue. It is crucial to keep in mind that the benefits of living in a cottage may differ from one individual to the next depending on factors such as location, personal preferences, and specific life situations. While some people may find the rustic appeal and natural surroundings of cottages to be the ideal refuge, others may feel that living in an urban environment with all of its facilities and conveniences is more to their liking. Like, share, subscribe and comment.